Corrosion of metals. Corrosion is degradation of materials due to a reaction with its environment. The major problem of corrosion occurs with iron since it is used as a structural material in constructions, bridges, shipbuilding, automobile, etc. Have you ever observed old iron grills in the buildings? Copper vessels which are not cleaned for a long time? Silver ornaments or idols which are kept exposed to air for a long time? Old worn-out cars? Iron reacts with moist air to acquire a coating of brown flaky substance called rust. Copper reacts with moist carbon dioxide with air and slowly loses its shine to gain a green coat of copper carbonate. Silver articles become black after some time when exposed to air because it reacts with sulfur in the air to form a coating of silver sulfide. Aluminium undergoes an oxidation reaction, forming a thin layer of aluminium oxide, forming a barrier to oxygen and water, preventing further oxidation, and becomes resistant to further corrosion. This resistance can be improved by making the oxide layer thicker as done in anodizing. How to prevent corrosion? Corrosion of metals can be prevented if the contact between metal and air is cut off. This is done in a number of ways. Some of the methods are given below. Corrosion can be prevented if the metal is coated with something which does not allow moisture and oxygen to react with it. Coating of metals with paint, oil, grease or varnish prevents the corrosion of metals. Example, rusting of iron can be prevented by this method. Coating of corrosive metals with non-corrosive metals also prevents corrosion. Let us see some of the methods by which metals can be coated with non-corrosive metals. Galvanizing. It is a process of giving a thin coating of zinc on iron or steel to protect them from corrosion. Example, shiny iron nails, pins, etc. Tinning. It is the process of giving a coating of tin which is molten tin over another metal. Example, cooking vessels made of copper and brass get a greenish coating due to corrosion. This greenish coating is poisonous. Therefore, they are given a coating of tin to prevent corrosion. Example, kadai. Electroplating. In this method, a metal is covered with another metal using electrolysis. Silver-plated spoons, gold-plated jewelry, etc. are electroplated. Anodizing. In this method, metals like copper and aluminium are electrically coated with a thin, strong film of their oxides. This film protects the metals from corrosion. We have discussed the anodizing technique in detail earlier. Alloying. An alloy is a homogeneous mixture of two or more metals or a metal and a non-metal in definite proportion. The resultant metals, called alloys, do not corrode easily. Example, stainless steel, brass, alloy of copper and zinc, bronze, alloy of copper and tin, stainless steel alloy, iron, nickel and chromium. If one of the metals is mercury, then the alloy is known as an amalgam. Pure gold, known as 24-karat gold, is very soft. It is therefore not suitable for making jewelry. It is alloyed with either silver or copper to make it hard. Generally, in India, 22-karat gold is used for making ornaments. It means that 22 parts of pure gold is alloyed with 2 parts of either copper or silver.